catch them or else. But I came prepared with these. My magic swords. Ching, ching, ching. And I'm not afraid. Ha ha ha. I know I will win this battle and get the magical potions. I kill him off, all of you. Well, you'll never kill any of us. Because I'm gonna kill you. We're gonna kill you first. Ha 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 ha. Mercury water bundle. Ching, 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 ching. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, it's killing me. Swords, get it off. Ching. Ching, ching, ching. Shing, 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 shing. My water bundle. Swords, get her. Oh. Oh. My swords listen to every command I say, and there's no way you're gonna stop me. Ooh, ha 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 ha. Take this. Get over here. Shing, 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 shing. Whoa, ching. What the heck? I was just landing. God. Whoa. 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 Ha, you missed me. Oh. Ow. Wheel her in. I'm not done yet. Let go of me, stupid swords. Wow, let go of me, stupid swords. Go away, stupid sword. I'm not done yet. I'm still alive. How dare you kick? How dare you hurt my swords? They're just swords. No, they're not. They're magical swords. They're not normal swords, okay? So, and I'm sensitive about that. Meanies. Viewers, Mars is so mean. She said my swords were stupid and just swords. But they're not just swords. They're magical swords. Mars, you're so mean. Swords. Go get Mars. Actually, swords, I changed my mind. Kill all those stupid brats. Ow. Do it. Okay. Jupiter, white dragon. Haha, haha, you missed me. Ow. Haha, I hit you. Killer. Wow. Jupiter, are you okay? Sailor Moon, I'm okay. I'm just wounded. That's good to hear. Oh. How can you do that to my friend? You're next. You're next, Mars, for being mean to my swords. Killer swords. Mars, are you okay? Listen to me, Mars. Mars, please wake up. Mars. Come on, Mars. I'll carry you back. I'll carry you to Luna. She can heal you. Hop on. Help me, Mercury. Venus, distract Dark Lord with swords. Come on, Venus. Mercury, help me get Mercury on my back. She okay? I don't know. I have to take her to Luna. Luna, please take care of Mars. I don't know what happened. Mercury, I don't know if we can defeat Dark Lord and his magical swords. But Sailor Moon, we have to try. Okay. Dark Lord, get over here. Just stand there. What are you doing? Just getting my chair. Why are you getting your chair? Oh, you'll see. Yeah! Haha. Swords, get the chair off of me. Yes, Master. Wait, did they just speak? Yes, we can speak. Throw the chair at the... Throw the chair at Luna. Do it. At the horse thingy. Yes, Master.